Hello guys, today we have one dirty mirror and we will try to make homemade mirror and glass cleaner. To make a glass cleaner we'll need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of vinegar. I will use food grade acetic acid, 9% is the same as vinegar, and essential oil. You can use peppermint or lemon. Today I will use peppermint essential oil. We will need 3 drops. And also we'll need just measuring cup and some spray bottle where we'll fit in already made. Firstly I put it in 1 cup of vinegar and now we'll add 1 cup of water. And after that we'll just put inside 3 drops of essential oil. One, two, 3. I already put all ingredients in this bottle. I mix it, and better for cleaning I will use microfiber cloth. It's like especially for mirrors and glass. Let's try. Look, now we have bright and shiny mirror. Nice, it's really work. And I also have some unshining glasses. Let's try on that ones as well. Looks much better. See, now we got bright and shiny glasses. And probably I suggest after this cleaning just little bit rinse them with warm water. Enjoy!